Starting July 1st, people will be able to smoke marijuana in the privacy of their home, but it will still be illegal to do that in a public space like this. Today, Fox 5 spoke with the president of the Virginia Association of Chiefs of Police. She's very worried that we will see more impaired drivers on the highway.
That's a challenge. And if you look at jurisdictions, or I should say states around the country that have adopted the legalization of marijuana, what is clear from those states, from the research that's been done, is that impaired driving has gone up 300–400% in some of those jurisdictions as far as highway fatalities and accidents.
Scary to hear. Chief Maggie DeBoer continued to say law enforcement agencies are now left scrambling on how to approach the legalization of marijuana from a public safety standpoint. She says police departments are working to train their officers so they understand the law, know what they can and can't do, and learn how to identify impaired drivers on the road. Attorney Eric Pascal wants to make sure people are still aware that it will be illegal for a driver or passenger to consume marijuana in a car.
Safest thing when transporting is to keep it in a sealed container out of that passenger area, probably in your trunk or somewhere well out of reach of the driver or passenger and out of sight completely.
Here are the basic facts you need to know about the legalization of marijuana. Starting July 1st, adults 21 and up will be allowed to have up to an ounce of cannabis legally. That's about the weight of a pencil. Anyone caught with more than that could face up to a $25 charge. Adults will also be allowed to grow up to 4 plants per home. For anyone who has a problem with their neighbors smoking and the smell that comes with it, well, there won't be much officers can do about it.
We have to look at our protocols and say, are we going to send officers to calls anymore when we get a call from a neighbor saying, hey, my neighbor, upstairs from me, I can smell it coming through the balcony. We have to make decisions now about educating the public, saying we have no ability to enforce that. If they're in the privacy of their home.
Here's the thing, come July 1st, people still need to be very careful because it will still be illegal to buy and sell marijuana in Virginia. That won't change until 2024. That's in 3 years.